So Magic the Gathering had came up with a new pre-release for the Avatar The Last Airbender set. So I decided to enter a tournament at Jeff Comics where we had to pay $40 for a box. But I decided to get a pack. Before the tournament, I decided to get a pack. So due to a lot of budgeting, I had a lot of problems with recording and shit like that. So please understand my circumstance. I am a very poor college student. I haven't uploaded in 8 months. I need to start uploading it as soon as possible. So yeah, you'll be also expecting another one. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello, this is my very first pack opening. It's the new Avatar set. Let's do this. Alright, hopefully rare. So we got an ally, airship engine. Ooh, pretty cool. Roadie's snowball, and it's a foil. Avatar Airbending Ascension, Heartless Axe, Jingjon the Deserter, Air Non-Legend. Oh no, the Unlucky Casual Merchant. Let's go. Callus, Roadie Snowball, Companion Healer, Autostarter Riot, Rumble Earth Wrestler, and Ridiculous Audience. Pretty cool. Thank you. Pretty cool. I'll be back on the rares. Thank you. This is a pre-release of Avatar. Really cool. I'll open it. So this is all it comes with. So let's open some packs.
Keep it organized as best I can.
Monk. Daily Secret Tunnel. Ooh, I got a reversal. World Rock, Rumble Arena, Origin of Metal Bending, Cunning Maneuver, Sold Out, Iguana Parrot, Compassion Healer, Cat Owl, Crashing Wave, Water Tribute Rider, and a Combustion Technique. Whoa. Okay. Next pack. We have a clue token. Fire Nation Palace, Path of Redemption, Plains, Waterbending Lessons, Glider Kids, Turtle Duck, Yin Archer, Yin Archer, Beetlehead Merchant, Abandoned Enchantment, Attachments, Otter Penguin, Fog Swamp, Earth, Trusty Boomerang, Glide Staff, and our we got Jet the Freedom Fighter. Okay. No, so that's the only card that was all art.
Oh, that's right. You're married now, you can't.
Here's my token. It is a spirit.
We have Zhao the Moon Slayer. The Earth. Oh, that's a cool art. Earth King, okay. Yuyan Archers, Plains, Water Tribe Captain, Badger Mole, more Yuyan Archer, Dylan Instructor, Octopus Form, Glider Kid, Otter Penguin, Suki the Kyosho Warrior, Fish, and our Professor Z. 3 more packs. Got more token. We have Fatal Firepower. Holy shit, a Fire Lord Azuka! Okay. I'm gonna make it come in. Bumbling Arena. Foggy Bottom Swamp. Lost Days. Wild Trout. Badger Mole. Yuyan Archer. Dylan Incarnation. Zuko Exile. Victor Warden. Wild Tribe Railer. Dylan Agent. And then our VO. That's. Okay. Okay. Cool. Few more. Monk. Path to Redemption. It's Quentia. Avatar Enchantment. Rebellious Captive. Fire Nation. Chalice Inspector. Earth Kingdom. Cat Owl. More Jet. Fire Jet. Allies at Last. Price to Freedom. Water Bending Scroll. And then Disenchantment. Legend of Roku. And then it's a 4/4. Oh shit, wait, I got Legends of Roku. Isn't that a really good card?
Yeah, it's mythic.
Yeah. How much do you think it's gonna be?
20? I don't know.
Yo, I gave my box back. Let's go, I'll take it.
I have no idea though. Don't trust or don't quote me on it.
How much packs did you guys get? 5? Okay. So I opened all. Alright guys. So this is what I pulled. This is my mythic. Here's my other one that I got. Here's my other. And then Fire Lord Azuka. I'll fucking take this. I am back for more pack openings. During the tournament, I was able to get 2 packs off of it. So, let's open it. So we reveal. So I'm back at home. Let's see what we get. Lost Days. Boomy's Bash. Messenger Hulk, Turtle Ducks. Oh, I've never seen this. I'm taking this. Forest, Ozai's Cruelty. Ooh, nice, top. When top enters, you mean, okay. Pretty cool. Foggy Swamp Spirit Keeper. Not bad. Alice at Last. Invasion Reinforcement. Price of Freedom, yep. Companion Healer, and Chalice Spectre. Did I pull a single rare? I guess my rare is Toph. Not bad. I guess this is my rare then. It looks pretty nifty. Last pack of the day. Water Tribe Captain, Deadly Precision, a food token. Let's see what's the back of it. It's a dragon, okay. Meditation Pool, not bad. Curious Farm Animal, Katara, the Water Tribe, Hope, Human Warrior Ally, okay. I guess that's my rare. Shared Roots, Accumulating Wisdom, Momo, Playful Pet, Iroh, Demonstration, Sandband Storm, Turtle Duck, Fireband Lesson, Foggy Swamp Vine Bender, and a Quencha. So, the only two cards that I was able to pull was Katara and Toph. Very on run, at least from those two packs. I'll be back to see what I get overall. So these are the pulls that I've made, or at least these are my favorite ones. So Legend of Roku, for some reason it is a mythic. It is worth $10, which is nice. Fire Lord Zuko, I think it's around 7, going for 7 at least. So it is really nice to have. And then we have the Fire Nation Palace, really good land, really good shock land. So I will take that. I think like $5. Fate Firepower Flash. This is a really good enchantment. Actually helped me win majority of my games, so that one's really fun. And then we have Katara, the Water Tribe Hope, which I just pulled, and then Toph. So these are probably my favorite ones, or at least the ones that I think were worth the price. I think anything else was kind of lame. But yeah. Where's the box? Magic the Gathering. Go play now.